Hi, and welcome to this lesson on matrices. Here we're going to take a look at the basics of how to deal with a matrix, just in terms of naming the dimensions of a matrix and referring to particular terms in a matrix. So here's two examples. Our first example, we see we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So in terms of the dimensions of a matrix, you always write your dimensions rows by columns. So the dimensions of this matrix would be 2 by 2, and we use the little x like the multiplication sign to indicate by. So we have a 2 by 2 matrix, showing that that matrix is 2 rows and 2 columns. This matrix, it's a little bit larger. We see that we have 3 rows and 3 columns, so this would be a 3 by 3 matrix. Now when it comes to actually naming individual terms in a particular matrix, for right now let's refer to this first matrix that we looked at as matrix A and the second one as matrix B. So in matrix A, if we wanted to refer to, let's say for example, we wanted to refer to this term, which is a 4. So if we take a look at where that 4 is located, we see that it's located in the second row and in the first column. So the way we would refer to that is we would write that as matrix A, and then we're going to use subscripts. Those are those small numbers that are written towards the bottom of your line. It would say 2 and 1 for row 2 and column 1. So this term would be A subscript 2, 1, and that would equal 4, because that's the term that's located at that point in that matrix. So let's try another example with matrix B. In this case, just to make it a little bit more challenging, we're going to do it in reverse order. So for this matrix, let's see how we would refer to this term over here, the -1. So we know we're dealing with matrix B, and we just want to make sure that we get the subscripts correct in this example. So if we take a look at that term -1, we notice that it is in the second row and third column. So our subscripts here would be 2, 3. So B23, that term that's located in matrix B, row 2, column 3, is -1. Please take a look at further videos if you'd like to see more work with matrices. We'll begin by adding and subtracting matrices from each other, and then in the more advanced videos we'll tackle multiplying matrices and finding inverse matrices. If you have more questions or comments, please feel free to leave them on our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website at www.sandersontestprep.com. Thanks for watching.